Alright, here we go. Unfortunately, they were modded, but... And we're back on this one. This is the one that came down. Let's see if we got a motor. No.
Okay.
There was somebody up there, so I didn't want to bother them. Look at this. Hard finish, smooth finish.
What?
I remember these were Dover / Thyssenkrupp. They were, it was like a weird, I have to show you this video. This is the famous Dover Mania place. Very nice interior. Unfortunately, it has Thyssenkrupp slapped all over it with the same fixtures as what your building got. Going up?
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Oh, there you are. That kind of sucks though. I wish these weren't modded. And the service car, I don't know if that one... What? The service car, it's on its own controller. Oh, it's moving. The service car is the one on the far left, right over there. Nice. We'll just take this one up and then we'll finish it there.
You're still filming?
I just started filming it. Yeah, this is the same mod as what your building got. Same exact mod, same fixtures, same everything.
Not really. The vandal-resistant indicators are in here. Our lanterns.
I do like the buttons though. They're kind of cool. Just some standard modern thing. All right, we'll just go. You want to get off at 1?
Yeah.
That sucks though. They were elevators I wanted to find. I found the place, but they're just modded now. I have to show you, they were a very weird variation of Dover Impulse / Thyssenkrupp. They were very interesting.
I don't like it when good elevators are modern.
Yeah. It's kind of sad. Alright, let's go. Oh no, it's okay. Damn. That's dead.